We will let this demo run and describe the process of Raspberry Pi Car and the implementation after. Once the command python3 ultra underscore sonic underscore avoidance dot py is executed in the terminal, the obstacle avoidance software is enabled and we are able to disconnect the car from the screen and external power source and allow it to run. The car starts off driving, and as it runs, the ultrasonic sensor in the front repetitively casts out ultrasonic waves and executes in turning around when gathering the recoil of these ultrasonic waves. In 30 years, we are aiming to have our obstacle avoidance software be reliant on more sensors and cameras to execute automated perfection on the road. A confound we encountered during the testing of our car was that any non-complete solid or permeable items did not reflect ultrasonic waves. Rather, they absorbed them or the waves passed through the object as a whole. We encountered this issue with the drywall, a beanbag, cardboard, and cheap wood trimming. We can see that take place in this video. As you can see, as I set the car down, it runs into the cardboard, but since the cardboard is so thin, it does not recoil the ultrasonic waves. Rather, the ultrasonic waves just pass through the object. Another confound that we encountered is the car would only detect ultrasonic wave reflection and execute the avoidance if the first point of contact to the object was the sensors themselves. More than not, we found the wheels catching onto the sides of chairs, corners of walls, and other household items. We can see that take place in this demo. As I set the car down, rather than turning around as it repeatedly drives into the cardboard, the wheels, being the first point of contact to that cardboard, defer the ultrasonic sensor from detecting recoil, and it gets inevitably stuck. Projecting 30 years from now, our software will be calibrated and incorporated into many sensors and additional cameras inside of the car to create and execute perfection. We will aim to have not the production of the car themselves, but rather have the highest grade, easily distributed software on the market in order to massively produce electronic self-driving vehicles.
Hey guys, this is me and Tommy's final project, so I'm going to take you through the business section. So our unique idea, we've taken our small RC car that we made drive itself and we've kind of brought it 30 years into the future. And so our big boy version of this product is that we've created a turnkey solution for autonomous driving. And what that looks like is an easy API integration combined with hardware that's sold separately and installed. And that allows for us to offer plug and play level 4 vehicle automation. We sell autonomous driving as a service, and our business model is very traditional compared to modern day SaaS businesses, except for instead of selling software as a service, we're selling automation or autonomous driving as a service. So our type of automation, our automation software that we license allows a car to function at level 4 autonomy, which means the vehicles have an environmental detection capabilities and can make informed decisions for themselves, such as accelerating past a slow moving vehicle. And if things go wrong or there's a system failure, the vehicle can intervene and help save you. Something like this can be seen currently with things like Tesla self-driving or even Cadillac Super Cruise. Our current market opportunity. So the autonomous vehicle is the market that we're actually targeting currently with a compounded average growth rate of about 12.7%. So currently the markets are just under $1 billion market cap for autonomous vehicle, but this is growing rapidly as more and more businesses get into the space. And they look like it'll be around in 2030, it'll be around a $3 billion market cap. And our total addressable market is eventually the global auto market, which we hope to tap into, with an estimated compounded average growth rate of about 4.8%, meaning we think that in 2030, it'll be about a $30 billion market. And we hope to tap into just a little bit of that, and that is our market that we can hope to get into. Our growth and differentiation strategy. So we hope to be a distribution and service, and that's how we stand out. So our service is unique. It allows for cars to have a turnkey integration to be able to turn into autonomous vehicles, and we hope to distribute this easily as it's a pretty easy integration. You can see things like an innovation in product and service, Tesla, quality and technology, that's Cadillac, or Waymo is service and technology. Our world-class capabilities. So we need to be world-class in 4 areas. First, we need to be world-class in customer support. We need to have 24/7 technical support from anywhere. So if we're offering this very easy to use integration, we want people to easily be able to contact us if they have any problems. We also want our experience of automation as a service. That will be something that makes us stand out. It's something that's really unique and easy, and we think that that customer experience will be what we sell. Further, we want our sales team to be paired with our innovative brand and consumer service that will allow us to grow quickly by having a superior sales team, as well as having technical superiority. We aim to have world-class engineers committed to helping develop our ever-growing software suite of autonomous driving software. So the potential ethical issues that come up, there's kind of a lot when the ethical issues of autonomous driving. First is the trolley problem. The trolley problem, if you're not familiar, is when a trolley is racing down the track and it's headed toward a group of about 5 people, and you can pull the lever and it kills one person. And the question is to ask, like, which do you do? Do you pull the lever? Or do you let it kill the 5 people, or you kill the one person? And that's with autonomous driving. It's like, does it save the passengers or does it save people on the road? And that's the problem it has to deal with, as well as liability issues. In the event of the crash, who's liable? Is it the car manufacturer? Is it us? Is it the driver? Who is liable? As well as like mundane ethical issues such as speed. If it's going too slow, it can be really inconvenient. If it's going way too fast, it can be really dangerous. As well as mobility. Should it be able to drive off-roading on its own? Things like that. That's some important ethical issues that we need to look into. So our funding request, we're seeking $250,000 for 5% equity of our company, valuing us at a $5 million post-money valuation. And this would be used to development of our software and hiring the founding team. So our conclusion, the autonomous driving as a service is what we're selling. It's in a rapidly growing market, growing at about a 12.7% average growth rate, and that's compounding. There's a potential $31 billion total addressable market, and we're seeking $250,000 for 5% equity. Thank you.